Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. Welcome you all to my channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And this session, I'm just going to discuss about that volume scanner, which we have created on charting. So last video. So that uh, here are some questions and doubt on that particular scanner which you have created, that volume which greater than 20 candles, such a kind of scanners which you have created on last video, and also good response for this video. So we are creating scanners in charting. It's purely based on the logic and conditions, and we are creating the scanners conditions very clear because it should not be repainted scanner. Some of the conditions having two different time frame, it kind that kind of conditions mostly it is repaint. But here what we are creating the scanners, it's purely for identifying the stocks based on the logic. So last scanner which you have created, the volume based on current candle volume is 20 times higher or 10 times higher than the average volume. So there is a confusion on average volume, which one I to take for this average volume. So let me try. First we need to add a volume. So before that you have to check that conditions are clear. So I'm just adding volume. So index, there is no volume will be happen. So we'll take some good liquid stocks like Reliance or something, good liquid stocks where you can able to see volume. Okay, how that volume is there. So here in this volume, so this is what on the candle volume. So where you can able to see the volume in the right side. So what is the last candle volume is 240.47K. So simply that is what the last 5 minutes candle volume. Here we have to check the average volume. So average volume in this settings, you can able to see there is a two options. The first one is the right choice, where we are going to find out the exact volume on those particular candle. So how we are going to find, this is what area where we can get the average volume. So not this, don't confuse here. Here for example, if I want to take a 20 period simple volume, so an average volume. So if I adjust 20 period, here it is mentioned, and SMA type is an SMA here, and then I'll be going to show you that volume SMA. Okay, so if I added, and what our last 20 period average volume is 142.11. Okay, where you can see the volume MA, it is a 142.11K, and the last candle volume is simply 240. So how we can identify this in the charting where it is working perfectly? So I'm just going to create, instead of creating a scanners, we can easily find out in a dashboard. Okay, I should open a dashboard to create or find the values. You have to go with the Atlas and create a dashboard. So I'm just going to create a test volume as a dashboard. So we have created a lot of dashboards there. So here I need to find out test volume, where it is test volume. Yeah, so it doesn't have any kind of widgets are available. So we try to get that and create a scan. So here default scanners are available, you can add it, but we are going to create a new scan. So there is a three filters here, a group to sort, and conditions. If you are a scanner conditions, you to add here to get the results on the dashboard. But I need to find simply the data, we have to fetch it out from there. If you are using a filter, there is a comparison. So two comparison like less than, greater than, something to use. But in the column, so where I just adding volume first, whether it is showing a right or wrong. So volume as a volume. So in case I'm just using a 5 minutes, sorry, I to use a 5 minutes volume. So I run the scan. So if you are looking at, it will be showing you all the list of stocks current volume. So I am just taking for a Reliance and to study. So instead of that, you can filter, instead of cash market, you can use futures or Nifty 50. Okay, I just used only Nifty 50. If you are using only Nifty 50, stocks would be mentioned here in this particular group. So where I can easily find out Reliance here. Or HDFC Bank is available in the top. So let me go for an HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank, let's check the volume, 896.483. So where 896 659 is the total volume, 896 483. So maybe it is an adjusted volume, and here it is showing you 896.659. So exactly the same 896 is the volume. Okay, and SBIN, let me go to check and the volume, what was happening on the last 5 minutes candle. So that would be around 851 248, 852 86. Yes, approximately the volume which you are fetching out, 858 223, here 851 248. Okay, so that volume is exactly we are fetching it out, and even we can check eternal. So 658 223. Okay, let me check. What is the 65461? Here 658. So approximately the volume is on the last 5 minutes. Let me check 5 minutes volume. Yes, exactly run this and we will be getting the volume is right. So the second filter, I want to find this an average volume. So for an example, I used in this case 20 period SMA volume. So let me add 20 period SMA volume. So simply add SMA, simple. Here we have to add a volume. Sorry. Here instead of close we have to use volume. So 20 period we are as a EMA or SMA, sorry. So here I just want to 5 minutes SMA. So let me run the scan. Now you can able to get what should be the same eternal 428036. So let me check 428049. So where you can able to see the volume is. So this is what a 20 period SMA volume. And sometimes if you are want to check the EMA volume, so let me add here not in the bottom. So EMA, so EMA volume may vary 512 instead of the same stock, it is showing you 512. So now how to add that SMA EMA volume? So same you can copy or just type EMA. So exponential. So here instead of closing, you have to use volume and 20 period. I want to 5 minutes volume. Okay, so just go with 5 minutes. Okay, so if you run this and 512228, so what is that value? 512 dot 143, but here it is a 512 approximately that main digit is not changing, but maybe a small variant. So maybe at the end of closing, maybe that difference. So this clearly says that this is what SMA 20. Now I just adding this is what one of the SMA 20 20 candle average volume 20 SMA average, and this is what 20 EMA average volume. So after changing this, if you run, you can easily identify what is the difference here, where you can able to see in the overall all the fundo list of stocks. So let me add it on the widget name. So average volume. I'm not going to give you any descriptions here. Okay, so this will be added here. Okay, so here one more conditions I can use it, and we can easily filter out this volume greater than this much of average volume. So here 20 SMA volume, and this is what a current volume. So if you want to filter out, you can filter also highest volume where it has happened, HDFC Bank, and this is an average volume, and this is a current candle volume, and this is the EMA average. Okay, so like this, you can easily filter out such a kind of conditions with this dashboard. Okay, so where you can easily identify. Just a moment. So even we can add one more conditions here in this dashboard. So I need to edit this. For example, I need to check the current volume, that is a 5 minutes volume. So let be possible volume. So let me add a 5 minutes. This dashboard will help you to find the 5 minutes volume. So here we need to divide by SME simple volume. Can you get that? So volume, not a close, it should be a volume. So let me run this. You can see how much times that current volume is greater than this. So if you are following this, then it will be easiest way to find the current volume scenario. So like edit the dashboard. I think I should enlarge it. So edit layout. Yeah. So you can increase that for a full page like this. Okay, so now I should save this layout. Okay, so if every 5 minutes you can just simply click over that, so the current HDFC Live, the last candle, that volume should be 4 times higher than the average volume. So that simply says highest volume in a single candle. You can filter out all the list, like I am just using a Nifty 50. So where I want to change over there in the, instead of Nifty 50, I want to F1 list. So you need to change over there here. So F1 stocks futures. Okay, so save this and submit it. So you can look at this, how much volume is happening. You can sort by automatically. So 6 times in this tower and BPCL last 5 minutes candle. You can run it for every time. So it will be helping you to in this tower, right? So you can look at this. It is 6 times higher than the previous average volume. So whatever it may be, either SMA or EMA. So but here we are comparing with the 20 SMA average 5 minutes along with the current candle volume. This will help you to find out some opportunity on intraday. I hope you understood the logic which I have created. So maybe I can share this on our premium Telegram group. So you may also edit and copy and use it also. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.